The wonderful world of nouns. Let's discover the people, places, animals, and things around us. Imagine you're on a fun adventure, like a pirate sailing across the seas, a wizard casting spells, or a superhero saving the world. Can you guess what makes these adventures exciting? The people, places, animals, and things we talk about. These are all nouns. Yes, nouns are the heroes in our stories, and today we're going to learn all about them. Ready to dive into the wonderful world of nouns? What are nouns? Nouns are words that name people, places, animals, or things. They are everywhere around us, and without nouns, we wouldn't be able to talk about anything. Imagine saying, "I like to blank," without a noun. It would sound pretty strange, right? Let's break it down. People, a person's name or what they are called. Examples: mom, teacher, firefighter, student, friend. Can you think of some people in your life? How about you? You're a noun. Places, a location where something happens. Examples: school, park, beach, zoo, city. You might live in a city or play at a park. Both are nouns. Animals, creatures from our planet that walk, swim, or fly. Examples: dog, cat, elephant, bird, tiger. What's your favorite animal? It's a noun. Things, anything you can touch, see, or use. Examples: pencil, book, table, shoe, phone. Look around you. What nouns can you find? A chair? A bag? Yes, they're nouns too. Fun fact about nouns. Nouns can be singular or plural. Singular nouns talk about one person, place, animal, or thing. Example: one apple, one dog, one school. Plural nouns talk about more than one. Just add an s or es at the end of the noun. Example: 2 apples, 3 dogs for schools. But wait, not all plural nouns are that simple. Some nouns change completely when they go from singular to plural. Can you guess these? Child becomes children. Tooth becomes teeth. Foot becomes feet. Interactive game. Noun scavenger hunt. Ready for fun challenge? Look around your room or outside. Write down 5 nouns you see. Remember, they could be people, places, animals, or things. Here's a hint. Your pet, your home, your favorite toy, or even the tree in the yard. Those are all nouns. Noun power. How nouns make sentences fun. Now that we know what nouns are, let's use them in sentences. The cat sleeps on the couch. The teacher is reading a book. My friend and I are playing outside. See how nouns help us talk about everything around us? Every sentence needs nouns to give it meaning. Noun challenge. Can you spot the nouns? Let's play a game. Read the sentence below and try to spot the nouns. The dog ran quickly to the park, where it saw many birds. Can you find them? Here's a hint. Look for the words that name a person, place, animal, or thing. Got it? Answer: dog, animal. Park, place. Birds, animal. Wrapping it up, nouns everywhere. As you can see, nouns are everywhere. They help us talk about everything around us, from our favorite foods to the places we love to visit. So, next time you're telling a story or just chatting with friends, remember, nouns are the heroes making your sentences full of life. Quick recap. Nouns are words that name people, places, animals, and things. Nouns can be singular, one, or plural, more than one. We use nouns to create meaningful sentences that tell us who, where, and what. Now that you know the power of nouns, go ahead and start spotting them all around you. What nouns can you find in your next adventure?